Dear students, welcome back to our class. In the last classes, we discussed number sequences, arithmetic sequence, algebra of sequences, common difference. Okay, today we are going to discuss algebra of arithmetic sequences. Okay, all of you listen. Consider an arithmetic sequence. Consider an arithmetic sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, etc. Okay. In the last class, I told you we can represent the terms of a sequence as x1, x2, x3 and so on. Did you remember? Okay. So, here the first term is 3. So, just write x1 is 3. Okay. Then, second term. What is the second term? This is 9. Okay. 9 can be written as 3 plus 6. Okay. 3 is the first term and 3 plus 6 is 9. This is also 3 plus. Now all of you listen. What is the common difference of the given sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, etc.? Can you say common difference? Common difference is 6. We already written here 3 plus 6. Okay. So this is 3 plus 1 into 6. Okay. The next x3, that is the third term. What is the third term? 15. Okay. Listen. This is 3 plus, can you say 15 can be written as 3 plus 12. Okay. 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. Okay. That is 3 plus, here the common difference is 6. So, it can be written as 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Okay. Listen. x1 equals 3. That is first term 3. Then x2 second term 9. 9 can be written as 3 plus 1 into 6. Then third term 15. Okay. 15 is 3 plus 2 into 6. Okay. Then next fourth term. What is the fourth term in this sequence? Is 21. That is 21 is 3 plus 18. Am I correct? 21 can be written as 3 plus 18. That is 3 plus 3 into 6. Okay. So, first term 3, second term 3 plus 1 into 6, third term 3 plus 2 into 6, fourth term 3 plus 3 into 6. Okay. By continue like this, can you say what is the 10th term of this sequence? Yes, can you say what is the 10th term of this sequence? Yes, it can be written as 10th term is S. 3 plus first term 3, second term 3 plus 1 into 6, third term 3 plus 2 into 6, fourth term 3 plus 3 into 6. So what is the 10th term? 3 plus 9 into 6. Okay. Can you follow me? All of you? Yes. Then now what is the nth term of this sequence? Nth term second term 1 into 6, third term here 2 into 6, fourth term 3 into 6. അപ്പോൾ 2 ആയപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 1, 3, 2, 4, 3. Okay. Then 10th term 3 plus 9 into 6. Now can you say what is the nth term? Nth term can be written as 3 plus n minus 1 into 6. Okay. Can you understand? Yes. So nth term is 3 plus n minus 1 into 6. Okay. The next one. Consider another arithmetic sequence. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, etc. Okay. Next sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, etc. x1, that is first term 4. x2 is 7, that is. Can you say what is the common difference of the sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, etc. What is the common difference? Yes. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. 13 minus 10, 3. So common difference is 3. So we can write first term 4, 4 plus 3. This is 4 plus 1 into 3. Okay. Then what is the second term? Sorry, third term. First term 4, second term 7, third term 10. This is 4 plus 6. That is 4 plus. How can we change 6? Yes, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. The next x4, fourth term 13. That is 4 plus 9. That is 4 plus 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay. Next, fifth term. Fifth term is 60. Yes. That is 4 plus 12. So 4 plus 12. How can be written? 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Okay. So we already got the common difference of the sequence is 3. Okay. So first term 4, second term 4 plus 1 into 3, third term 4 plus 2 into 3, fourth term 4 plus 3 into 3, and fifth term 4 plus 4 into 3, etc. Then what is the 20th term of the sequence? 20th term 4 plus 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. So, what is the 20th term? 4 plus 19 into 3. Now, so nth term can be written as 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay. So nth term is 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay. 4 is the first term, 3 is the common difference. Okay. That is, we can add to the first term n minus 1 times common difference. Here we can add to the first term n minus 1 times the common difference 6. Okay. In general, let us take the first term as f. Taking the first term f and common difference d. How can you write nth term? Can you say what is the nth term of any sequence? All of you listen. Our first sequence, we got the nth term as 3 plus n minus 1 into 6. 3 is the first term and 6 is the common difference. Using our second sequence, we got the nth term as 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. 4 is the first term and 3 is the common difference. Okay. So what is the general form? It can be written as f plus n minus 1 times common difference. Okay. So the general form of a arithmetic sequence is xn is f plus n minus 1 into d, or nth term of an arithmetic sequence is f plus n minus 1 into d, or we can say that the algebra of an arithmetic sequence is xn is f plus n minus 1 into d. It can be written as xn is f plus n minus 1 into d. That is f plus, let us remove the bracket. How can we write n minus 1 into d? Yes, this is n into d minus 1 into d. That is f plus dn minus d. That is dn plus f minus t. Okay. This is the another form of algebra of an arithmetic sequence. Xn is dn plus f minus d. So you just listen two forms of algebra, f plus n minus 1 into d or dn plus f minus d. Okay. Now listen. Xn is dn plus f minus d. If we give instead of d a letter a, n plus f minus d as b. So we can say that the general form of an arithmetic sequence is an plus b. Okay. General form of an arithmetic sequence is an plus b. Here a is the common difference and b is the difference of first term and common difference. Okay. A is the common difference and b is the difference of first term and the common difference. Okay. Now we want to check, is any sequence of the form an plus b an arithmetic sequence? Okay. We already got the general form of an arithmetic sequence is an plus b. Next, on the other hand, is xn equals an plus b is an arithmetic sequence or not? Okay. So xn equals an plus b. So can you say what is the first term? First term is a plus b. Okay. Second term 2a plus b and so on. Now listen, here nth term an plus b, then what is the n plus 1th term or next term of the sequence? Nth term n plus b and n plus 1th term is a into n plus 1 plus b. Okay. Next, let us find out the difference. A into n plus 1 plus b minus an plus b. That is, remove the bracket. What do you get? A into n plus 1 plus b minus an plus b. Yes. an plus a plus b minus, here what is the value? Minus of an plus b, minus an minus b. Okay, let us cancel an and b also. So what is last one is a. What is a in our sequence? A is a common difference. So we can say that xn equals an plus b ഫോമിലുള്ള എല്ലാ സീക്വൻസുകളും എന്തായിരിക്കും? അരിത്മെറ്റിക് സീക്വൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും. Or we can say that the general form of an arithmetic sequence is an plus b. Okay. So result is, the algebraic form of any arithmetic sequence is of the form xn equals an plus b, where a and b are fixed numbers. Conversely, any sequence of this form is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, clear? Now let us discuss some examples. First one, okay, our sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Okay. What is the first term? First term 1. Common difference. Common difference. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. So common difference is 3. So we have to find out the nth term of the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. So what is the nth term? We know that xn is dn plus f minus d. xn is dn plus f minus d. Now substitute. d is 3. 3n plus f minus d. f minus d is 1 minus 3. So 3n plus 1 minus 3. That is 3n plus, what is the value of 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So 3n minus 2. Okay. Nth term of the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. is 3n minus 2. Okay. Then we can use this nth term for finding our terms. Okay, first term, second term, third term, and so on. Listen, what is the first term? xn is 3n minus 2. xn is 3n minus 2. So what is the first term? 3 into 1 minus 2. That is 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Then second term. Second term, 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. The next 3. 3 into 3 minus 2. That is 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. All of you listen. Our given sequence is 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Now we got the numbers 1, 4, 7. Okay, and so on. The next example, half, 3 by 4, 1, etc. Consider the sequence half, 3 by 4, 1, etc. Okay. So what is the first term of this arithmetic sequence? First term half, 3 by 4, 1. first term 1 by 2. Common difference. What is the common difference? Half becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4 becomes 1. So can you say? Yes, common difference is 1 by 4. Okay, first term 1 by 2, common difference 1 by 4. Now nth term is dn plus f minus d. Nth term is dn plus f minus d. That is, what is d? 1 by 4 n plus first term 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that is 1 by 4 n plus half minus 1 by 4. Half minus 1 by 4. What's the value? Half in the kali boil. Yes, 1 by 4. Okay, it can be written as, here the denominators are same. What is the denominator? 4. So we can write 1n plus 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, that is n plus 1 by 4. Okay, nth term of the sequence is n plus 1 by 4. Okay, clear? First term 1 by 2, common difference 1 by 4. Okay, xn is dn plus f minus d. Then substitute common difference and first term. So 1 by 4 n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4 n plus half minus 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4. Then here the denominators are same. So can be written as n plus 1 by 4. Okay. Next example. Consider an arithmetic sequence 12, 8, 4, etc. Okay. Now we can find out the nth term of the sequence or algebra of the sequence. So first term 12, then common difference. What is the common difference of this sequence? 12, 8, 4, etc. Yes, 8 minus 12. That is, 8 minus 12 is minus 4, or 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 minus 4. So common difference is, what is minus 4. The next nth term xn is dn plus f minus t. That is, d is minus 4 n plus first term 12 minus common difference minus 4. Okay, listen, I repeat. First term 12, common difference minus 4. Nth term dn plus f minus d. That is, d is minus 4. So minus 4n plus 12 minus minus 4. That is minus 4n plus 12 minus minus. Minus minus is plus. That is 12 plus 4. So minus 4n plus 12 plus 4, yes, 16. This is the nth term of the given arithmetic sequence 12, 8, 4, etc. Okay. Okay, all of you understand how to find out the nth term or algebra of the given sequence? Yes? Okay. So you must study the equations f plus n minus 1 into d, or xn is dn plus f minus d. Okay, it's very important equations. Algebra or nth term of arithmetic sequence is f plus n minus 1 into d, or dn plus f minus d. F is the first term, d is the common difference. Okay, first equation we can use to find out the terms of arithmetic sequences. Okay, you can use to find the algebra or nth term of the given arithmetic sequence as xn is dn plus f minus d. Okay. Today's class is over.